Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and welcome to today's tip of the day. Have you tried working out and noticed that you're unable to lose weight or actually gain weight even though you're exercising? Have you experienced that? And have you wondered why that is so? And I'm gonna tell you just three big reasons why that happens. Number one is people who work out because they're expending energy, so the body has to replenish that. So some people who work out don't necessarily combine that with their diet, so they're not careful with what they're eating. So what happens is when they have more calories going into the body, they are unable to lose the weight. On the contrary, they actually gain weight because you have more calories going into the body, and the body's converting that to to fat, and they tend to gain a little bit more weight there. Now the second reason is when you're exercising, you have to have the correct program. There are specific muscles in the body that you have to work out, that you have to exercise those muscles so that it will increase the fat burning ability of the body. If you do not exercise those muscles, you do not target those muscles, your body's not going to be able to burn as much fat. And hence, you will not lose as much weight. So, your program matters if you're going to lose weight or not. And number three is sleep. Sometimes people neglect that because we're busy with our everyday lives. Sleep is very important because if we're not having enough sleep, the body's unable to heal and to recover, and you wake up feeling fatigued, or you go through the day feeling tired and exhausted. And what the body tends to do when it's exhausted or tired is it has to get energy from something else so that it will be able to function. Now, that will force the person to actually eat more. So, when they eat more, then they're not gonna lose the weight, or they might actually gain weight again. All right? So, sleeping will help your body be rested, be able to recover from all the activities that you've done, and heal from all the small damages that it goes through when you're working out, and it will help you regenerate. So, those are the three big reasons why people don't lose weight when they're exercising. And I want you to keep those in mind when you're trying to lose weight and we're trying to do an exercise program. Make sure you combine that with the sleep and also proper eating. All right? And let me know what you think. Feel free to leave your comment below. Feel free to share this with your family and friends, with everyone you know, so that it will benefit them. And subscribe to a YouTube channel. You can like us on Facebook or follow us on Instagram. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.